Today I'm going to be walking you around our 2017 Volkswagen Transporter camper. And in terms of how space has been utilised, this is the most impressive camper that I've come across. We have our double bed, which doubles up as 2 belted seats, making this camper 4 berth, 4 belts. Just above, we have loads of storage space, even more to the left with our foldable table. And just below our bed, we have our fridge. Now time for the coolest part in my opinion. Even more storage just above. And below we have our retractable kitchen unit. To the left is the stove, and to the right we have the sink. And once we're done with that, we can just slide that straight back in. Spec-wise, everything you could possibly need. And if we pan our camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top. If you have any more questions about the vehicle, or you'd like to book in for a test drive, please feel free to call us on 0118 971 1799.